Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 351 Windsor 410 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1967 Mustang. You can see it's a complete turnkey engine ready to go. Go over some of the highlights here of the engine build. Again, we have the 351 Windsor roller lifter cam in there, Edelbrock aluminum heads on there. Customer requested the rear sump pan. So we put that on there, oil stick and tube. We have these real nice Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Oil pressure extensions on there. We're running the, we have the roller rocker arms in there, all fully adjusted. MSD ignition coil, distributor set in place. Holley Sniper EFI fuel injection. We live run every engine for over 45 minutes. We set all the settings. The Holley Sniper, the handheld will be all set up, ready to go for the customer, all dialed in. We got the throttle cable ball on there, throttle return spring and bracket. Manifold vacuum fittings are all installed for the customer. All ready to go. We have the aluminum bell housing on here. The clutch kit is all installed and aligned. Clutch fork, throwout bearing. Customer's running a TKO 600 trans, so that's the proper bell housing for a TKO 600. We have the high torque mini starter installed. PCV ventilation hose on there. All the fuel lines, Russell heavy duty fuel lines, AN fittings all set up. So this is the way you get it, ready to go. Customer is going to be getting the full pulley kit on there. I will be putting that on next day or so. When you're ready to buy, give us a call. 1-800-326-6554 or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business since 1969. So there you have it. It's our 351 Windsor turnkey package engine factory. Thanks for watching.